Sitting in my car, it's getting windy, and I end up talking to the birds. Like, it's gonna be okay. Don't worry. It's all right, just windy. This little rainstorm, maybe. Oh. Sometimes I can tell if they're babies. I'm not sure about this one. What do you think? Looks like just a female. I mean a male. The red ones are the males. He looks kind of young, though. I mean, he doesn't look as confident as the daddies. Yeah, he looks kind of young. Look at this wind. I don't know if you can see it. It's just kind of whippy winds. If they're It's just kind of whippy here in Verde Valley, and yeah. I thought we were not going to get any rain, but look at that. Look at it rain. I mean, the wind. It's good, because we had a forecast of 109 tomorrow, so give me some rain. Give me some clouds, baby. Look at that. Oh, it's all good. We got some friends showed up. See, it's going to be okay, baby. Don't you worry so much. It's going to be okay. I found that the birds that hang out at the feeder and just kind of stay there usually are the babies. The mamas and daddies leave them here. And they live in my bird sanctuary area in the back. See, that's a mama. Yeah, if it wasn't mom, that one would have got off. So he's just like, it's okay, baby. Namaste, y'all. Namaste.